Kuhetukira unyitaniri na fegi ya cooperative riu ahuthiria sako ya Harambee ni magukorwo makiamukira kadi cia kiriu cia kuruta besha ihinda riothe. Ningĩ ikinya rĩrĩ nĩ rĩtanyĩtwo kuhotithia ahũthĩri a kadi ĩno kuruta besha ATM-inĩ itiganĩte duka-inĩ cia agents a fegi ya cooperative ũndũ ũmwe na duka-inĩ o ciothe ciĩtĩkagĩra ũhũthĩri wa Visa card.
The issuance of ATM cards. It will be possible now for SACCO members, once they come to the FOSA across the branch network of Harambee SACCO, to be able to walk out with an ATM card instantly. And remember, this ATM card, it's not just an ATM card. Actually, it's a Visa debit card. It can be used in the supermarkets. It can be used in the petrol stations. Therefore, as the chairman has said, even on the initiatives that government is putting in place to ensure that we have a cashless economy.
Urugamiriri wa SACCO ino utongoretio ni muikariri gite Claude Malonza ni utogeretie ikinya riri ukirigweta ta ikinya ria kuhuthia mirutire ya wira ya ahuthiri ayo na njira nene.
And we are doing this to supplement the SACCO service that we have. The COVID pandemic has provided a very big challenge to ourselves in terms of carrying out business. Now, we have all our members scattered all over this country, and we want, where there is no network, I'm sure the ATM will come in handy.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa kuramata thothaiti fegi ya cooperative Vincent Marangu ni ugite fegi ino ni guthie na mbere na kurutithania wira na SACCO itiganite na njira ta ino.
From Harambee SACCO, we are going to make sure that it is available to other SACCOs so that we grow our debit cards from the current 1.5 million Visa debit cards issued to SACCO members to over 3.5 million by the end of this year or close to mid next year.
Gerifo Tera Kameme TV, Jetagwa Morige Wagure.